Everyone thinks the best-selling electric bike is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, RPIN foldable e-bike. The RPIN foldable electric bike caught my attention with its compact design and affordability at just $199. If you're looking for a convenient commuting option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This e-bike is powered by a 740W peak motor, letting you zip through the city at speeds up to 20 mph. It has a 48 V10Ah removable battery, which means you can go 30-60 miles depending on how you ride, whether that's with full electric mode or pedal assist. Plus, its foldable design makes it easy to toss in your car or take on public transport. With over 378 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, people are clearly loving this bike. Now, some people complained about the battery range not being enough for long trips. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for city commuting, the range is actually quite sufficient. It's perfect for daily use, but if you plan on long-distance rides every weekend, you might want to consider something else. This is perfect for you if you're an urban commuter looking for a compact and affordable bike. Skip this one if you need something for off-road adventures or long-distance travel. For the price, it really packs a punch. Now, if the foldable design isn't your thing, this next one from Aolny offers a different take on performance and comfort. Product number 2, Aolny electric bike. Next up is the Aolny electric bike, priced at $379.99. What impressed me was its powerful 1000W peak motor. If you want a bike that can handle a variety of terrains with ease, this is worth checking out. The integrated 36 V10.4Ah battery fully recharges in just 3-4 hours, which is pretty convenient. Plus, with a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, you can adjust your speed and power output based on your needs, whether cruising flat roads or tackling hills. It's getting rave reviews with a 4-star rating from over 134 buyers. Now, some users mentioned it being a bit bulky for smaller riders. But I'll be real with you, if you're comfortable on a bigger bike and need the power for hills or longer rides, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable bike that can tackle different terrains. Skip this one if you're petite or need something ultra-lightweight. For the price, it's a solid investment for performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and versatility. Product number 3, Funhang commuter e-bike. The Funhang electric bike is another excellent choice, retailing for $379.99. I was drawn in by its step-through design, making it super easy to get on and off. If you want a user-friendly e-bike, this one is worth considering. This bike offers a 1000W peak brushless motor, allowing speeds up to 20 mph, making it perfect for city life. Its 48V battery provides a range of 40-50 miles in pedal assist mode, which is great for those longer commutes. It boasts an impressive 7-speed system for smooth gear transitions, whether you're cruising or climbing. With a 4.4-star rating from 322 reviews, it's clear people appreciate this bike's comfort and convenience. Now, some users noted that the assembly could be tricky for beginners. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and the bike is designed to be user-friendly overall. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable and practical daily commuter. Skip this one if you want something more performance-focused for off-road trails. Overall, it offers great value for its features. Now, if you're still not sure, the next bike I'm about to show you might just be the sweet spot for versatility. Product number 4, Qnut electric bike. Let's talk about the Qnut electric bike, priced at $284.99. This one caught my eye for its durable steel frame and solid specs. If you're looking for a reliable commuter that can handle daily use, this is worth a look. Its robust steel frame can support up to 308 pounds, and the adjustable handlebars add comfort for different riders. The bike has dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power. With a 4.2-star rating from 291 buyers, it seems to have a solid following. Some users mentioned it being a bit heavy compared to aluminum frames. Here's the thing, while it might be heavier, that extra weight adds to its durability and stability, especially on rough surfaces. This is perfect for you if you need a tough bike for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight for easy transportation. For the price, it's a reliable choice for commuting and light trail riding. Now, if you're still on the fence, the last bike I want to share really emphasizes power and comfort. Product number 5, Funhang City Cruiser e-bike. Finally, we have the Funhang City Cruiser electric bike at $329.99. This model stands out with its impressive specs and comfortable design. If you want a bike that combines performance with comfort, this one's definitely worth considering. Its 48V removable battery makes charging a breeze, plus the step-through frame allows for easy mounting. It has a 7-speed system, front suspension, and it's equipped with an LCD display to keep you updated on speed and battery. With a 4.5-star rating from 181 reviews, it's clearly a crowd pleaser. Some users felt that the battery range could be improved. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a smooth and comfortable commuting experience. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for rugged trails. With its features, this bike offers great value for the price. So to wrap it up, we've got the RPIN foldable e-bike for great portability, the Aolny for power and versatility, the Funhang commuter for easy riding, the Qnut for durability, and the Funhang City Cruiser for comfort. Each has unique strengths to fit different needs. Whatever you choose, you're getting a solid electric bike without breaking the bank.